Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some heels and flat like mix of these both two beautiful kind of footwears. And as you see, this one is also a very nice flat slipper kind of thing which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also very nice, and watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you'll never miss any new update from my channel. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of slipper. It looks really nice and amazing. And flat and heel mixed sandal offer the best of both worlds. These innovative designs combine the comfort of flat sandals with the glamour of heel, creating a versatile and stylish footwear option. Perfect for dressing up or dressing down, they can elevate a casual outfit or add a touch of sophistication to a formal look. With various styles to choose from, flat and heel mix sandal cater to different tastes and preferences, making them a great addition to any shoe collection. Whether you are looking for a chic everyday sandals or a dressy option for a special occasion, these hybrid have you covered. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.